Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for places on the Google Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the Explore icon down below, which is the first option. Now, as you can see at the top of the screen, there is a search bar. So just simply tap on it, and now you will be able to type in either an exact address where you want to go, or if you just want to look at a particular place that you are interested in, or search for facilities or hotels, restaurants. Just simply type in your city and what you are searching for. So just simply type in whatever you want. Here you can see all the results. Tap on the relevant one, and then you will see that exact spot on your map. As you can see, it's indicated by this red icon in the middle of the screen. Here you can, if you scroll down, you can see the public transport nearby. So you can see the bus option, trams, and other facilities. Then if you tap on this directions button, you are going to get direction from your location to the to your place where you want to go. You can select your mode of transportation, such as car, bus, tram, bicycle, or whatever you like. And then if you feel like to do so, you can start the GPS function by tapping on the start icon down below, and then you will get instructions how to get to that certain place. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.